tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a spray paint text effect using Photoshop. So firstly, we want to change our foreground color to become black. Select OK. Head over to the Paint Bucket tool. We're going to create a new layer and just simply fill in the background to be black. From there, we're going to select the type tool and write out some text in the middle of our canvas. So the word nerds. Change the text to become white. Select OK. Center the text in the middle of the canvas. And then we're going to head over to Filter, Blur Gallery, and we're going to select Fill Blur. We'll be prompted to convert the layer to a smart object. So select Convert to Smart Object. And then from there, we're just going to change down the blur settings to be 18. And then we're going to select OK. And then we're going to change the blend mode of our text layer to be dissolve. And then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate the layer 3 times. In fact, we'll just do it twice. And what we're going to do is we're going to offset the bottom layer. And then right click on that layer, select blending options. We're going to select a color overlay. And we're just going to change the color to be a nice, vibrant purple. Select OK. And then we're going to move up our second layer that we duplicated. So it's slightly offset again. And then head over to blending options once more, select color overlay. And then we're going to change the color. So this time maybe we'll go with, I think that works quite well actually, a red. Select OK. And there you go, we've created a spray paint style text effect in a matter of seconds using Photoshop. I hope it's a useful tutorial and a technique that you can recreate and use in your own projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for quick tips on how to use Photoshop.